Hello dear students, we'll see today cooperative societies business. In the previous class BOM subject I have covered sole proprietor, partnership and Hindu undivided business, Hindu joint family business we have covered. Now coming to the cooperative society. So what is this cooperative society? Cooperative society is formed mainly to uplift some kind of communities, lower communities, poor people, and to give the justice, to give their uplifting. They want to equalize the upper category and lower category to give some kind of benefits. For that purpose cooperative societies have formed. Their main motto is to give the service to the people, to give the service, but not to earn the profits. Earn the profit means it will become a business. So this is under the control of Cooperative Society Act 1912. Cooperative Society Act 1912. As per this, the rules and regulations, whatever is mentioned in this act, they have to follow it. Here at least few members are required who wanted to serve the people, who wanted to give some kind of benefits to the society. These people will be gathering at one place and started doing their services. Either it's in the product based services or only purely service basis, they can start their cooperative business. So for this purpose, what is needed and what are the main important aspects of this? Before learning this, we must know what is the motto of this cooperative society. The motto is here: all for each, each for all. All for each, each for all. Nice quote, na? So with this motto, every cooperative society is running. Now if you see the characteristics or features of this cooperative society, the first one is voluntary membership. Here in this cooperative business, whoever enters as a member, it must be voluntarily. No force and nothing is required, only simply wanted to give the service. I have some kind of service oriented mindset and I want to contribute some amount, or I want to give my services. Anything is there, then I can enter into the cooperative business, but voluntarily it must be. And here in voluntarily, though people are entering and managing by few members in the sense who are elected by the cooperative society members. So these managing members will be handling this cooperative business. Next one, political and religious neutrality. Political religious neutrality. Cooperative society is free from any kind of political interference and also religious interference. Caste, religion, political, all these things which are not going to make any effect, all are equal. All are equal, all have given the equal importance. So on that basis this is going to run. Next one is the democratic management. And management is here democratic. Democratic means our country is also democratic. Elections, and whoever is going to work efficiently, they will be elected. In that way this cooperative society is going to work. Every year they will have elections, and as per the votes, and people are going to be elected. The elected members are responsible for taking care of the daily wise activities. Sometimes they may employ some kind of people, but responsibilities by these people only. Members or elected members, executive members, director, board of directors, they are responsible. They may appoint some people to work for this cooperative society, but responsibilities by themselves only. And how these people are elected? By the other members in a democratic basis. Next one man, one vote. Elections. In elections, every person will be given one vote only. One man, one vote. If suppose one person is having a lot of shares, his shares contribution is a lot. It does not mean that he will be given 2-3 votes or 10 votes or 100 votes. Nothing, no preference will be there for this elections. One man, one vote purpose. Every person will be given a right to vote, a right to elect the members of the society. Next one, service motive. As I told you, cooperative societies mainly purely service basis, not to earn the profits, to give some benefit, to uplift the lower category people of the society, of the country. So for that purpose they have formed, not business purpose, not to earn the profit. Of course they will have profits, that profit will be sharing by the members, that's a different case, but mainly service Next one, distribution of surplus. Whenever they get a lot of surplus, that surplus will be distributed to all the members. All the members in the sense whoever have taken the membership, only to these people that surplus will be distributed. If suppose some people have distributed a lot of capital, their contribution is more, for them more surplus. Means according to the contribution, according to the capital supplied by the members, according to that the surplus is also to be distributed. Next one, cash trading. This is main feature of any cooperative society. In cooperative societies, they won't encourage any kind of credit transactions, credit purchases, credit sales, and loan taken on credit basis, loan is given on credit basis, no credit transactions, only cash transactions. So transparency will be there. They'll come to know exactly what is coming, what is going out, how much we are spending, what is the profit. Any time they can just come to know the profit levels of the organization where they are running. Okay, so this is the main important feature, cash trading. Next one, limited interest on investments. Investments are contributed by the members of the cooperative society, and on this investments each member is allowed to take interest. That interest is limited interest. So far it has mentioned maximum 9% only. 9% on the investments is on investments interest is allowed to the cooperative members, not more than that, maximum 9% only. Maybe in future it may decrease, because right now the bank's position, if you see, it has come down to 6% on investments. It may come down, or maybe it has come down also. So anyway, it has mentioned already 9% on limited interest. State control, and these cooperative societies will be under the control of state cooperative society, not national level cooperative society, only state level cooperative society. This is going to control these cooperative societies. State level control will be there, and national level means this state level, everything it is under the control of national level. If I have a cooperative society in Hyderabad, so this will be under the control of Telangana state. If you have at Haryana, so that will be under the control of Haryana Cooperative Society. Are you getting this point? So this is the state control. Next, cooperative education and training. This is very much required, because without training, without proper knowledge, people are entering into the cooperative business, and what to do, what kind of decisions is to be taken, and how to run this cooperative society, no idea at all. So that is why training is required, training is providing, and after that if you start any cooperative business, definitely you will have a clarity. So these are the main characteristics. Now few disadvantages are there. The disadvantages are limitations, you can say. First one is lack of capital. Capital is contributed by the cooperative society members only. Then if they want huge capital, where they can get? Not possible. They can't issue the shares, they can't issue the debentures, they can't take the money from outsiders. So that is why lack of capital. Capital is very much limited. Among the members only they have to get the capital. Lack of unity among the members. You know that very difficult to have faith among the members. If there is any kind of dispute, distrust, and if one person is deceiving or manipulation, anything, a small incident is required to dismantle all the relations of the cooperative society. But that is why this is one of the major disadvantage, you can say, lack of unity among the members. Next, cash trading. This is also one of the drawback. Only cash transactions are encouraged. Now if you see the business world, most of the people will go for credit. Where credit is not available, who will come to this cooperative society? So this is the disadvantages. They must just relax this cash transactions. A little bit credit transaction is there, then people will come forward to have dealing with the cooperative societies. Next one is the political interference. Though we have said here in the features, so where is that? Political and religious neutrality we said. There should not be any interference from the caste, religion or otherwise political interference, though we said, but always political interference you will find it in the cooperative societies. A person who is having a lot of name and fame, he'll purchase a lot of shares of this cooperative society, automatically his command will be more, he'll be handling it, so that interference is always will be there. This is the main disadvantages. That's all. This is about the cooperative societies. Got an understanding? Take any textbook, start reading it. You'll have more clarity, write a short notes or detailed notes, so that would be much better to have a long run memory of this topic. So please go to the description box and see the different subjects, different topics. What do you want? Please utilize it. Forward these videos to someone and it may be useful for them. And I am preparing these videos with lot of care and time and energy. Please utilize it. Take care. Wish you good luck. Give your exams well. Bye.